Kamusta guys? Ngayong araw samahan niyo ako mag-react dito sa nakita kong video ni Ruel Carino sa kanyang Facebook page. Yung The Real Ruel Carino. Ito yata yung legit niya na Facebook page. Siguro baka maraming gumagaya, no? O may mga fake na Facebook page ng Ruel Carino. Pero ito mukhang legit guys at nakita ko yung video niya na kung saan kausap niya yung kanyang nanay niya at yung kausap niya dito. Ayan, meron silang konting kwentuhan. Ayan, panoorin natin.
I think in 1985 or 1984. I don't know, but you could, when you listen to the original, you can hear the age in Sinatra's voice na. Sounds old man. Doesn't sound like the cheery old guy in.
Ang pinag-uusapan pala nila dito si Frank Sinatra. Kumbaga yung boses daw ni Frank Sinatra may pagkakaiba na nung taong 1984 to 85.
Fly me to the moon. Doesn't sound like that now.
Yeah.
Sounds gravelly na. I know there were 100 ways to tell her I love her. You can hear the scratchiness, just like mine. It's funny how we're all so clear today.
Nakakatuwa naman, napupuna niya pa yan, ano? Talagang napakahusay ng tenga ni Ruel. Napupuna niya pa yung pagkakaiba. Pati yung paggasgas nga raw ng boses ni Frank Sinatra nung medyo may edad na.
It's like vibrating. But it's so easy looking at the game the morning after, adding up the kisses and the laughter.
Vibrato rin pala, no, yung gamit niya. Kagaya nung kay Jerome.
Knowing how you'd play it,
Ba-vibrate.
'cause you'd never ever play it quite the same when it gets high.
Ganda ng boses niya kahit acapella. Grabe. Hindi na kailangan ng mga effects no sa vocals, sa mic, hindi na kailangan dahil napakaganda na ng boses ni Ruel.
He sounds like his old self. But then this Monday morning quarterback never lost a game. And gravel. Pero pag tumaas, it sounds like older self. Me, I sound like myself eh. Kind of like Sinatra. Kind of like.
Alam na alam talaga ni Ruel yung sinasabi niya, no? Talagang makikita dito kung gaano siya kalalim pagdating sa music. Yung kanyang ano ba tawag doon? Theory ba yun? Ganon. Parang yung kaalaman niya sa music talagang hindi lang basta-basta. Ibang
Like
level.
Monroe. Basically, I'm like a mix of all of the crooners.
Ito si Matt
Totoo
Monroe
sa'yo.
naman yung tinutukoy niya.
But
I agree.
hey, just sound just a little bit younger than them. Of course, I am younger than them.
Age matters, really.
Their age matters. But there's this one guy. His name is Bob Boulay.
Nakakatuwa sila mag-usap ng mami niya, no? Mukhang yung mami niya mahilig din sa music Alam din yung mga tungkol kay Matt Monroe tsaka kay Frank Sinatra.
He sounds almost exactly like Sinatra. This is Frank. You should listen to the vocals. To tell her I love her. And then this is Bob.
Ganda ng boses, no? Nung pinapakinggan niya.
And then there's me. I know there were 100 ways to tell her I love her.
Grabe, saglit niya lang pinakinggan pero kuwang-kuha niya kaagad. Galing. Galing mag-adapt ni Ruel ng boses.
It's funny how the
Galing niya
road's
mag-clone.
so clear today. I can't quite get the
Baklase.
scratchiness of his voice. 'Cause-
Maybe you're still young.
Nah, I don't smoke.
Yeah, and
That's the
you're
difference.
still young.
Yeah.
Hindi raw siya naninigarilyo. Kumpara doon sa singer ng pinakinggan niya siguro.
Ask them which person they want
Nag-smoke.
better. Senator.
Sinatra, Boulay, or me? Which one do you want? Don't mind these mics. Just went home from Derma.
Nagpa-derma pala siya. Nakakatuwa yung kwentuhan nila ng mami niya. Para lang silang
You said it wouldn't hurt.
magkaibigan, magkapatid, magkwentuhan.
It hurt.
Definitely.
Nakakatuwa tong video na to. Ano lang simpleng kwentuhan lang pero matutuwa kay Ruel kasi talagang malalaman mo na hindi lang siya basta singer. Talagang inaaral niya yung boses ni Matt Monro, Frank Sinatra, tsaka yung mga iba niya pang gustong gayahin na artist. Ayan, may binanggit siya kaninang artist hindi ko lang patandaan. Parang iisa ng genre yung mga ganong klase ng artist na gusto niyang gayahin. Ayan guys, natuwa ba kayo dito sa video ni Ruel na to? Ayan, ano yung sa loobin nyo guys dito sa video ni Ruel Carino? Ayan, i-comment nyo lang sa ating comment section at babasahin ko yan isa-isa. At kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe sa ating munting channel, mag-subscribe na kayo para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod nating upload. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood.